Clean the surface and apply the protective film. Attach the dashcam onto the film. Connect the power cable, rear camera cable, and GPS cable to the main unit. Route the cables under the interior headliner. Tuck cables into the headliner. Run the power cable along the gap in the pillar. Attach the GPS module. Route the power cable along the door seal. Remove the front door sill trim panel. Remove the cowl trim panel. Connect the dashcam's grounding wire to the grounding point on the vehicle. Connect the light tester to a ground point on the vehicle. Turn the ignition to ACC and locate an ACC fuse slot. Connect the fuse tap to the ACC wire of the power cable. Insert the fuse into the fuse tap. Connect the ACC power to the fuse box. With the ignition OFF, locate a fuse that provides B+. Connect the fuse tap to the constant power wire of the power cable. Insert the fuse into the fuse tap. Connect the B+ power to the vehicle's fuse box. Check whether the dash cam is receiving power properly. Organize the power cables with cable ties. Route the rear camera cable along the door seal. Tuck it between the B pillar and C pillar trim. Lift the door seal slightly and reroute the rear camera cable. Clean the area you are planning to install the dashcam on and apply the protective film. Attach the rear camera onto the film and connect the cable. Tuck the cable under the interior headliner.